Check these two chimps out, look. Playing outside, but they're playing on their phones. 21st century for you. Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and it's sunny outside for a change, so time to fit the new bolts that I ordered off of eBay for the exhaust. Let's go check out the Interceptor and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace these bolts here. Okay, that one there you can see underneath. Don't even poke out the other side. Absolutely redonkulous. So yeah, we're going to swap those out. The top one works fine. That bottom one is yeah, a bit dodgy. So we're going to swap those out. Some more faffing around. Let's crack on and fit them to the bike. Right, that's the bolts fitted. Had a few issues though. I think it's to do with this. So let's go and have a look. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So you can see on here, that's pretty thick. This part that attaches the exhaust to the main part of the exhaust on the bike there, and these screws that I got, I don't think they're quite long enough, to be honest. I've managed to get it on, and it's on solid, but yeah, I don't think. Let's go and have a look. These are the ones that I've got. So I only managed to put one on, and the other one I kept. The one that was on the bike, on the top bracket, I've kept that on there because that's fitted okay. So yeah, I don't think they're quite long enough. This is the old one. Let's turn this bad boy on. Let's make sure there isn't any gases escaping anywhere. Let's see if she starts. There we go. Let's have a look. So that's the laser exhaust. Let's just check down here, make sure it's not leaking. But this is the Interceptor. That laser exhaust looks so much better than the standard one. Fumes. This is my phone case we was talking about. This is the one that took the hit, come off the bike at 60 miles an hour with my phone in it, and you can see there, that's where it took the damage. The phone was intact, but that was on my Honda VTX 1800 where that one come off on the cruiser. But you can see there, I've attached it with magnets, proper Johnny Age 5, but it is solid though, ain't going anywhere. Famous last words. Big shout out to 209 Moto. Thanks for the sub, mate. Go check his channel out. He's based out in California. He's got some good content on there. Yeah, go see him. And before I go, let's just go and have a look how the Ducati Monster bike build's been going on. Check this out, people. Remember, I built this with my little mini mechanics. They're still up for grabs. Might have to finish this competition soon. Send this off to some lucky subscriber. Look at that. Part of the Ducati bike build. Love it. Right, we're going to end there, but before I go, just want to leave you with some words of wisdom from Mini Diesel.
Welcome, my friends. Common sense is like deodorant. The people who need it most never use it. Peace out and ride safe.
Good content. Good content. It's done. Happy days. Squared away. Anyway, this is this video done. Well, that was it.